Right, our next award is the TCT Consumer Product Application Award. In a world where every object we use can be custom-made and optimized, tonight's nominees have shown exceptional creativity and practicality. Who will be the one to take everyday solutions to extraordinary new levels? Let's find out. The winner in a moment, but first, the highly commended project in this category is Bauer Hockey Helmets by EOS North America in partnership with Bauer, Hockey, Dimension, N-Top, and Twickett. Congratulations. And now to help me to present the award to the winner, please welcome on stage on behalf of our sponsor, Finally Agency, it's Rob Dando. And now, the winner of the TCT Consumer Product Application Award 2024 is Superyacht Sundeck Hot Tub by Massivit in partnership with Nautic.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, TCT, for the award. I can tell you that I've been here, or we've been here, many long years, and always were hoping to get one of those. So it was worth waiting, and don't give up. You'll get it at the end.